part 1 on the Ford F250 restoration process. This is after a quick wash and quick sweep out of the interior. Some cleaning. It leaks a little bit. Other than that, just got the gas pedal over here unstuck. The glass that went around this was cracked. These are not factory seats. After we're done though, it will look good. Just got the new dash in and dash lights fitted. Got the lights working and headlights working. Just got the fuel cap painted and it's about to go on. All you need to remove your spark plug is a 13/16 21 millimeter socket. The ones in these so far don't look too terrible, but they could be nicer.